Hi there, students. A portfolio. Okay, a portfolio is a carrying case in which, for example, an artist would put their pictures if they have to take them somewhere, or a photographer would put a series of photographs. So it's normally a big flat case where you can carry things. And then, by extension from that, a portfolio, a collection of works that show a person's skills or their accomplishments or their abilities. So the artist showed me his portfolio of drawings, a representative collection of the things that he could do. A photographer would have a portfolio showing you pictures that they've had published, or the type of photographs that they like to take. We even extend this further. Notice you can also use this word portfolio to talk about the office or the responsibility of a minister. He has the portfolio for foreign affairs, the Ministry of the Exterior. Okay, so it's the responsibility of the minister or the head of a government department. He has the portfolio for health. You can also use it like that. We use a portfolio in finance and investment. The group of or all of the investments held by an investor. So he has a stockbroker to manage his portfolio of investments. And then just a collection or a range of products. I would like to show you our portfolio of services. Okay, the different things that this company can do, the range of things that it's able to do. Okay, so the range of investments, the portfolio, the range of abilities, the portfolio. Again, okay, so each of these is a portfolio. I guess my home page in YouTube is a portfolio of the types of videos that I make, and it gives you an idea of what I do. Okay, so a portfolio, an investor has a portfolio of shares. He is a minister without a portfolio. He doesn't have any specific responsibility. He had a beautiful leather portfolio that he was carrying. The musician carried a portfolio of pieces of music. Okay, so a portfolio, the carrying case, a set of pictures or photographs as an example of their work, a set of investments that a person or a company has as well. The company has a very large portfolio of houses. The portfolio of a minister. He has the portfolio of defense. The portfolio of products or designs or things that a company does. It has a very wide. This company has a very wide-ranging portfolio. So formality. Okay, I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. 6.5. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, particularly for the physical object. You might use just the word arrange, or a group of things. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Italian portafoglio. which is linked to the French word portefeuille, meaning a folder or a wallet. But all of this from Latin, portare, to carry, and folium, a sheet. Okay? And then later the other ideas have just tacked onto it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Portfolio.